Well, welcome back to another Maintenance Monday. I'm in one of our houses today, and we did some touch-ups in here, but there's still some touch-ups to do. Right down here, there's a little spot. We got a drywall issue, and I'm just gonna give you a little information on how to take care of these little issues that might arise in your own home. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I already got some drywall mix right here that I'm gonna go ahead and make up. I'm using a powder today. It's a 5-minute set. So basically I have a powder here, just add a little water to it, mix it up, and it's gonna set up within about 5 or 10 minutes. So we're gonna work pretty fast today. You can use spackling. You can use mud that's already made up. I call it mud. It's a drywall compound. A lot of the guys in the field, we call it mud. So the first thing I'm gonna use a little cold water. Warm water will really make this setup even faster. And I don't really need it to set up too fast today, but I just put a whole lot more water in here than I probably need, but we're just gonna mix it up like that. Actually, we're gonna get a pretty good consistency out of this right here. So I got just the right amount of water. Kind of got lucky on that. Just wanna mix it up real good. You don't wanna see any more powder in there. All right, we're all ready, so I'm just gonna go ahead and come over here. And I say we're all ready, but I haven't even masked off my area yet, so I'm gonna do that real quick with some blue tape. I'm just gonna take my drywall mud. I'm just gonna fill this area. I'm not left-handed, so bear with me. I'm gonna do this left-handed. Just get a nice even coat on there. Again, not left-handed, so let me do it like this. That should work out pretty good. We're gonna come back here in about 15, 20 minutes, do a little light sand on that, and spray some texture. Also notice we had a little spot in the bathroom that needed to be done, so let's run in there real quick. Let's touch that up for the guys here real quick. Someone tried a drywall repair in here and they just tried to texture right over it. That's not gonna work. We're just gonna put a little mud right over the top of it. Okay, if you get a little bit high, that's okay, because we're gonna sand it down here in a little bit. So if you're a little bit high, we don't mind doing that. Leaving it just a little bit higher than the surface is fine, okay? I'm gonna come back and sand this in about 10 or 15 minutes.
11 minutes later.
Okay, well, it's pretty much, oh, it's still wet, never mind.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, well, I believe it's all dried up now. I'm gonna go ahead and sand it. Got a little sanding sponge here. We're gonna do this really lightly. We don't need to get carried away. We don't wanna have to redo any of our mudding that we just did, but we're just gonna lightly sand. This is still just a little bit wet, but we're gonna make it work. And when it is a little bit wet, if you go a little bit too hard, it will kind of smear a little bit. So I'm really going light with this. Okay, once you get your patch sanded down the way you like it, gonna have you use a little wall texture, okay? So with the wall texture, you wanna make sure it's shook up really well. Okay, so you wanna do this for about a minute. You're going a little crazy with it for a minute here. And then you wanna test it on a surface, another surface. You don't wanna spray it on there and find out, oh, I didn't spray it right. So kind of figure out, hey, that looks like perfect texture. I'm gonna go with it right here, right now, okay? So we're just gonna start kind of a small circle and we're gonna work our way out. Okay, kind of like that, okay? It looks a little thicker on there right now. That's gonna go away. It's gonna actually shrink up a little bit. So I'm actually a little thin right in here. I'm just gonna do a little quick little hit, okay? We're gonna leave it like that. Okay, I'm gonna come back here in about 5 or 10 minutes and maybe just do just a real fine sand again with my sanding block, okay? When this first comes out, it's a little bit different than when they actually spray the texture on originally. It sets up a little bit differently. So sometimes you need to just take that sanding sponge after it's dry, just a real light touch, okay? So we're gonna come back, we're just gonna kind of hit it like that, and then we're gonna be done. Be back in just a few minutes.
More moments later.
Okay, so my patch here is dried up and it actually blended in really well. It looks a lot like the texture that was already on here. So again, we're gonna sand it with a block, but just really lightly. All we're doing is we're just taking off a little bit, okay? So I'm just gonna that's it. I was barely pushing down. That's all I want to do. But if I didn't do that and I went to put the paint over it, you're really going to see a noticeable difference as opposed to when I just lightly touched it over, okay? So I just lightly knocked it down and now I go to paint on this, okay? One of the tricks to painting over this area also is you want to give it a little bit paint here, but come out a little bit. You're going to kind of go a little bit bigger than your touch up. Okay, and you're going to kind of blend that paint in. So hopefully this has helped you out a little bit. Hopefully you don't have a whole lot of drywall repairs to do in the home, but if you do, now you know how to do it. See me next Monday for another Maintenance Monday.